Hello folks, John here at E.C.D Automotive Design down in Kissimmee, Florida. Today I want to bring out to you a very interesting topic. Can a Defender be a daily driver? Let's find out. Of course, this vehicle is boxy, it is bold, and it was built for the jungle. But the question is, can it handle a daily routine? Taking the kids to school, going to the grocery store, or whatever the case may be? And the answer is yes. In fact, many of our clients use these vehicles as daily drivers, or most of the time. And allows them, of course, not only to have a vehicle that feels different, unique, of course, it's got the character and presence from the old school Defenders, but having the practicality, of course, of a more modern car. Now, things such as air suspension for enhanced ride quality, high-performance brakes for enhanced safety are important to our clients and things that we offer, of course, here at ECD. In terms of electronics and gadgets, we offer in all of our vehicles Apple CarPlay, and also you have an optional rearview mirror that happens to be digital and shows you a full panoramic view of the back of the car, enhancing, of course, blind spot detection and things of that nature. Now, most of our clients agree that maneuvering one of these cars around is probably as comfortable as a Chevy Tahoe or Suburban these days. The turning radius, of course, is not the one of a compact vehicle, but at the same time is reasonable, and you can still get around and parallel park it, especially with the panoramic view mirror that we offer, and have the ability to drive around urban areas with comfort. Now, fuel economy in most vehicles are powered with GM V8 powertrains. You will find anywhere between the mid to high teens. Now, of course, for those folks looking for a more spirited type of driving style and would like to, of course, press or push the limits to the performance of these vehicles, those numbers can change a little bit, but at the same time, of course, it depends on how you handle the car and how you want to enjoy it yourself. And the best part of building an ECD Custom is the fact that you still feel the character of the original Defender 110, but in a more modernized way, almost reimagined, giving you all the things that you need today to make it a daily driver.